I don't even have one fidget. Like only one. I'm very poor. Somebody told me that there is a fidget camp, I think, and they said that if you have a lot of fidgets, you will get a you can go there and you can find fidgets, and if you find fidgets, you will keep them forever. And I really like that idea, and I'm gonna go over there. Yeah, I can go. I'm gonna go and see where is it. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. I'm gonna go in. Okay, I'm gonna close the door. Okay, I'm gonna try to find some fidget. Oh, they have this basket for me, so I can put some fidget. Okay, what is this? There is something there. Oh my god, my first fidget. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just make this good. What is this? Why is this on the floor? Oh my god. I have a puppet now. It was my dream fidget. Okay, let me see. What? Emoji. I like emojis. Let me see. Wait. Oh, a squish thing. What is it? It named. Okay, I'm gonna look. Oh my god. A pop tube. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. I'm gonna find more fidgets. Oh my god. Now it's been a couple of the quiz and I need to find some fidgets now. Where I can find fidgets? I got a marble mash. Okay, a blue thing. Hey, another marble mash. Let's see, maybe there's more. A monkey noodle, a blue monkey noodle. I'm gonna put it here. Let's see. There is some. Oh, there's something. Oh, a squish thing. Oh, I feel something. Oh, is it all? A monkey noodle. Is it all? Let me see. Yeah, I think this is all. I don't know. But I think that these are enough fidgets for me. And I think that these are all with the room that they gave me. So good. Now I have a pop tube, two monkey noodles, and a squish thing, and a puppet. And I have now a marble mash, and a snipper, and a squishmallow again. And yeah. Oh my god. Wait, what is this paper? Wait, let me read it. Oh, it says that they have it says that it have more than 11 fidgets. It have 12 fidgets and I only have 11. Okay, I'm gonna go see if there is more. Let me see under the bed. Oh, there's something. I'm gonna go see it. Oh my god, there's a sand, this thing. Okay, they said they have more. Let me see. They have here. Do they now? Where do they have? The last one is so hard. I'm gonna see under the bed again. Maybe there is more. Yeah, maybe. No, there is more. Not more, I mean. Let me see. Where is it, though? Of course, right over here. I don't know. Oh, I'm just gonna sit here. What is this? Oh, the last fidget! Oh my god, the last fidget! The last fidget!